The power of money. Invest in your future. Good evening, my women and men. Today I would like to talk to you about a topic that affects us all and is often underestimated: money and the art of investing. Money is not just a means to an end. It is a resource that gives us the freedom to pursue our dreams and create a better future. Look around. We live in a world where financial stability and independence are not only desirable but also attainable. But how do we achieve this? The answer lies in handling our money wisely and, above all, in investing. Investing is more than just saving for a rainy day. It is a strategy that allows us to make our money work for us. It is the bridge between what we have today and what we want to achieve tomorrow. If we invest our money intelligently, we can increase it and create a financial cushion for ourselves and our family. But why should you invest? Investing is not just about making money but also about building wealth. It allows you to achieve your dreams, be it buying a home, starting your own business, or achieving financial security in retirement. Investing gives you the opportunity to live your life on your own terms. In addition, investing also creates opportunities for others. When you invest, you not only promote your own growth, but also contribute to economic recovery. You support businesses, create jobs, and strengthen the communities in which you live. Remember, investing requires education and patience. Find out about different asset classes, risks, and returns. Be willing to learn and open to new opportunities. Think long-term and plan carefully. Invest not only in financial products, but also in your own education and development. Finally, I would like to encourage you to take the first step. Whether you are just starting out or have experience, set goals and embark on the investing journey. Don't just invest in companies. Invest in yourself, your skills, and your future. Let's harness the power of money together to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Invest in your dreams. Invest in your future. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.